there are conflicting view of two high courts, that is Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh judgment is relied by the state, one judgment. And the Karnataka in as many as 4 judgments have taken a view differently than Andhra view. So therefore, I have gone by the Karnataka view and partly allowed the petition.
Grateful, ma'am.
Release of vehicle, my lord.
Yes.
Any other mention?
Yes, my lord, item number 11.
11. Yes.
2 p.m. Kindly be taken out 2 p.m.
It will be possible at 2 p.m.
Lordship directed to appear them in person.
Okay, 2 p.m.
My lord, obliged.
11 2 p.m. Huh? Yes.
My lord.
Item number 17, my lord. 1 week after, my lord, on behalf of Mr.
It's up to notice matter, fresh matter.
No, my lord. Fresh matter.
Item 11, my lord. My friend, my lord, mentioning, my lord. There are 6, 11, 59, 60, 61. All matters of that box matter, my box case. Taken together, my lord. Better, my lord.
We are taking all the matter together. You be there at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Yes, my lord. Then,
2 o'clock.
in my case, matter has been settled. They are living happily.
Happily, but also
My lord, my lord.
the statute is not happy with you.
6, 11,
Yeah.
6, 11, 59, 60, 61.
2 o'clock. Correct.
Pardon to mention, my lord. Item 4, let it come next week, my lord.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes. Yes, Mr. Naik. Yes, yes. tell me.
Item 4, let it come next week, my lord.
4 again.
My lord.
Yes. Okay. Item 2.
Item 2.
Pass on.
May I please your lordship,
Yes.
item number
You are
2.
there? Yes.
Kindly seeking an adjournment as the senior counsel is not well.
Are you enjoying interim order?
No, sir.
Adjourn.
Thank you.
Item 3.
May I please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, day before yesterday, your lordship was pleased to direct my state council to obtain injury report.
Yes, you have settled the dispute.
Settled already.
My lord,
Settled.
What is the injury report?
I am on behalf.
Since, my lord, a matter of 15, my lord, I am unable to trace out the injury report in the police station, my lord. That must have been the case record. It will take some time, my lord.
I am sure that the victim is still survived.
My lord, I am on behalf of Mr. Mahapatra, who is appearing for the informant.
I'll put it on 13.
13.
You get 13. 1-3. 1-3. Let him get the injury report. Okay.
My friend,
If you
Nahi,
have,
record.
why don't you? If you have, police it.
In fact, my lord, in this case, occurrence occurred on 7th May 2015. Informant treated before the some hospital on the 10th May 2015. FIR lodged on 15th May 2015. Assaulted on part of the eye, my lord. No money, even if no grievous injury, just simple eye.
but in the charge sheet, it has mentioned the injury.
No, only charge sheet.
So therefore,
Or that is the matter on the
injury report with you. please give, he'll verify it.
Exactly.
Or otherwise let him come on.
Like, even if IO has not supplied injury report to the court below, my
So
lord.
then you don't have,
Another judgment.
you don't have the injury report.
No, my lord.
Let us.
My lord.
Only noted in CS, my lord.
Okay, 13th.
13th.
If they
Obliged.
don't come, 13th I will question.
My lord.
I'll presume that they simply.
There is no such.
The 3 opportunities given.
Obliged, my lord. Even if another, your lordship earlier also directed another counter case to list along with this matter, that is CRLMC number 4237 of
Write down,
2000,
please this matter along with CRLMC
4237 of 2023,
23 on 13th.
my lord. Obliged.
Okay.
5.
5.
May I please? So in this CRLMC, petitioner challenges the cognizance order dated 2921,
Yes.
passed in city case number 2698 of 2021.
Right. You tell me what is wrong in it. Where is the charge sheet?
Shashid Miller, running page number 7.
7, huh?
My lord.
Charge sheet.
No, my lord, it is cognizance order. There
That's
are
right, but where is the charge sheet? You want to see the charge sheet.
charge sheet is not available, my lord. But in
Then how do you say that cognizance is wrong, order is wrong? Without
My-
reading charge sheet?
my lord, it has been mentioned in the order sheet on 2921, charge sheet number 126 dated for 25/21 under. My lord, I will obtain.
You have not read the charge sheet. You don't know what is the allegation against you, what is the material filed against you,
My lord,
and you are challenging the cognizance order.
my lord, marriage has been dissolved.
Whatever, but you need to at least
I will.
file it. Then consequently, the petitioner seeks time to file the charge sheet. Now, in this petition, the petitioner has challenged the order dated so and so passed by the lower court below, whereby the cognizance of offence under section so and so is taken against the petitioners. Petitioner. The petitioner has not filed the copy of charge sheet for this petition. He seeks time to file the copy of charge sheet. The same may be filed within the period of 1 week and that's it. Right.
Item 7.
Not clear. Okay. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, here during pendency of transfer proceeding, both the parties went for mediation. Mediation was successful.
Okay.
Pursuant to that, divorce has been granted. Now the criminal proceeding is to be quashed.
Where is the accused? State when you come and appear. In any case, you have to come appear. Not that you can't.
Yes, it's only for the
will not
purpose.
appear, because it's a part of investigation process. You have to participate in the investigation or through VC or something of that sort. You have to cooperate with the investigation.
We are cooperating. In fact, from that day onwards, the ship is still in the
That's right.
shore.
I'm not on that. The people are retained. I believe one of them has died also. Some
So
accident
here-
taking place.
here, my lord,
Only injured, not died. It's sufficient.
Well, now here the problem is we are on the
Your people are stuck. Because of the investigation is not proceeding.
My lord.
Why don't you cooperate and finish it up so that
No,
things
this
and
is
can't
the-
move?
we are only vis-a-vis the
And our
enemy.
affidavit also speaks that only for the purpose of investigation we are calling. For the purpose of investigation.
So let
unless
them
on-
file their reply.
That's right, but
and
I'm just trying to explore a possibility that will you appear through VC?
My lord, we will take those instructions. My lord may not record that, but let them give their reply.
Are you happy with if they'll appear in
That I have
video
to also obtain
conferencing mode?
instruction. Our officers come, that I have to also.
The idea
Yes, yes.
idea is to complete the
Investigation
investigation. There is no ego issue.
and no ego issue, only
No ego.
for the purpose of investigation and for the purpose of recording statement, my lord.
Through VC, why don't you?
If it can be
accommodate
done,
them?
if it can be
Why
done,
should they come from the?
yes,
that
if it
country?
can be done, I'll obtain instruction. Today I am filing reply
Because my
after
lord,
serving a
if my
copy.
lord recollects, the Ministry of Home has a specific set for foreign nationals. And this is a case where we ourselves triggered the investigation.
And everything is correct,
My
but
lord.
still, since investigation is going on,
My lord.
they want some information from you.
My lord.
You have to furnish that information.
No.
There is a reciprocal treaty with that. So while exercising 482, I can very well accommodate to the extent that you can be questioned through video conferencing
My
mode.
lord.
So you need not come. And let us see if anything comes, it's all right.
My lord,
They
may
may
keep
drop.
all those options open. We will find out if that can be resolved, because we were under the impression that this in this manner, they cannot call a foreign national. There is a specific treaty. They have to go through the embassy to reach out to us. But if unofficially I can find out if that's something, we will explore that.
Just-
My lord, may
I'll
give us
put it
some
on-
time.
I'll put it on 15th, you would tell me. I'll
16th,
dispose it up.
16th, my lord.
16th, I'll
16th.
dispose it up.
My lord.
You also seek instruction whether.
Yes, now I'm told that there's a Chinese New Year there. So let it be on 19th.
19th. okay,
19th.
19th.
Let them give the replies.
Yes,
but
yes,
we can-
in course of the day. I
Give
will.
the reply.
Yes, yes.
And
My reply is
I'm
ready,
not
just nice.
recording anything
My lords,
because they may submit contrary to what
Yes,
is falling from the court.
my lords.
So you just examine the
Yes, yes.
point. On video conferencing mode, if you can put your questions, you give your questionnaires, they'll answer in a video conferencing mode, then your investigation is complete. So he may not be required subsequently, then I'll drop it.
My lords.
And meanwhile, you explore that possibility. If
My
that's- Ultimately, he's not the accused. He may be an accused. We never know. But depending upon the
He's-
type of questions you are asking and their apprehension is only that. They will
Yes,
be
yes.
cooperating, but
But this is during process of investigation only.
under
but-
the aid of
yes.
120p and all, something 34, something you will rope them. That's the apprehension. Otherwise, they would be ready and willing to cooperate with the
When it's
investigation.
outside court, I can always say that had we not said anything and just walked away with the ship, we probably would have been better off. Because we were the ones who brought it to their notice. And now, my lord, we are being subjected to this kind of harassment.
And illegal trafficking, my lord. That huge quantity of drugs.
Illegal trafficking, you have not discovered.
We have disclosed. That's very important.
They have done it. So you should have little,
Sympathy for us.
sympathy for them that they got stuck because of their own, they are helping to the agency rather. Anyway, you just explore
Yes,
that
yes.
possibility. 19th.
On 19th, my lord.
Interim order to continue.
Entry mode.
My lord. Oblige, my lord.
Allotment, direct that because otherwise that interim order.
Interim order to continue.
Yes.
Please the matter on 19th for further hearing. Interim order to continue.
My lord.
We are grateful.
Item 9.
Item 9, Your Lordship, those matters, Lordship had directed personal appearance of parties.
CC case, yes.
Where is that? Where is the complaint?
Complaint case, running page 24, under annexure.
Yes.
Yes, annexure 2. Relevant page is 26, Your Lordship.
Mr. Ragada, again the same problem.
Yes. No, my lord, here what happened, my lord, actual can see, my lord, the can see to page 29, supported by affidavit. Complaint supported by an affidavit. Yes.
If it is there.
Well, there, page 29. Yesterday, same thing is there, my lord, I am not the counsel, Mr. Maharaj counsel, but the affidavit was there, my lord. Your Lordship, urgent that case. When if there is no.
My knowledge.
Yesterday, what happened?
This was there. Same affidavit was not there.
29
That
is-
was on the verification.
I was not counsel, Mr. Maharaj.
That
was counsel.
any-
My lord.
Page 29 is the 1CC. 1CC case
Hmm.
filed before the lower court.
That's right. How, what do you say here? Yes. How it is a civil case? What is it?
Yes. Can you see running page 26, Your Lordship?
26.
Fourth para
Hmm.
of the allegation.
Hmm.
That but surprisingly, the accused person have sold away an area of 30 decimal out of
So,
plot number so and so.
by giving a wrong narration.
The bold letter
That the property has been partitioned
partition
between the
parties and that all of them are possessing the same separately.
separate.
This is the only the allegation. We are co-sharer. The petitioner number 3 and 4 is selling that land out of their share.
You have sold it.
We have sold to some other person who is not the accused person. And the
And that person has sold to this.
no. Our share, I have sold the petitioner number 3 and 4, who is the medical students. They sold their share to the third person. Third person is not the accused. Because the allegation is not made like against him. Only तार allegation होची आमे जो सेल डीड रे लिखिचु जे ए लैंड गुडा को
नहीं को सेल डीड लिखितो काकू दिया
हां सेल डीड अंडर annexure 6.
No, you tell me the informant, you sold it to informant.
No,
Then
informant one of the co-share of that land. ताको
Okay.
share intact अछि. आमे आमो share टा बिकिलु. Annexure
and
6.
who has purchased, he has no grievance.
No. Purchaser किछि grievance नाही. He accused नुहे. तार allegation एति की
What is you are related, huh?
Yes.
Brothers.
ଆମେ ହେଲୁ ସେଟା ହଉଛି ଏଟା ହଉଛି ମ୍ୟାଟର୍ନାଲ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ମୋର ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଫାଦର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ମାଇ ମଦର ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର୍ଡ ତେଣୁକରି ମୋର ସେ ଯୋଉ 1/3 ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ଲଟ ଆଉ
But
ଗୋଟେ
you are brothers. The
I'm
informant
sisters.
is.
informant is the brother of my mother Narayana Swadingra. Yes.
Mamu.
ହଁ ମାମୁ ଆନେ ହଉଛି ଲିଗାଲ ଏୟାର ବି ଦେଇଛି Annexure 6 is the cell deed.
He has,
Or
this
this case, my lord,
completely-
it's also rightly made the party, my lord, the settled, my lord. Notice.
we issue notice and the allegation is, see, what is this?
My lord.
allegation? And to whom it was sold,
My lord.
he doesn't say anything.
That's true.
And their relatives also.
In fact, my lord, they made party and
Okay, the issue notice to the opposite party number 2, returnable within 2 weeks. 2 weeks. You people are, who is a doctor? You said doctor.
Petition number 3 and 4.
They're
Medical
they're
student.
students,
Yes.
medical students.
Yes. I have filed the documents in support of
Then I'll have to stay
Stay, my lord.
the proceeding. Students are unnecessary.
complete civil.
In I number shows, huh?
No, this is not the. I come court file.
In the petitioner submits that the only allegation against the petitioner in the FIR germinating out of a complaint case reads as under. ये page 26 रे ये पारा जो bold पारा जो last पारा जो 26 रे last पारा ठीक है the petitioners have sold their part of the sale of the property to a third person. The purchaser of the property has no grievance. However, the informant, being the maternal uncle of the petitioner and a co-sharer of the property, is making out a grievance, has made out a grievance and filed this for criminal prosecution. The perusal of the complaint indicates that the dispute is primarily a civil dispute. Taking into consideration the aforementioned facts, the petitioner deserves interim relief. Therefore, the further proceeding in where is that further proceeding? Where which court?
JMFCO Bhubaneswar. GR case number 892/2020.
लिखा है कि नहीं?
Under Annexure 1 series running page 14.
Impugn order लिखा है क्या?
Yes.
Further proceeding in GR case number 892 of 2022 arising out of Pohol PS case number 125 of 2022 pending report of JMFC bracket O Bhubaneswar is stayed in the further proceeding.
Item 13.
13.
May I please? Madam, it's a Belgium matter. The petitioner was earlier on
When you are on bail?
20/12/2016.
Bail. NBW?
NBW 22/11/2023.
22/11/2023. ठीक है जी? 29th February. Appearance. 500.
14,
my lord, after launching.
15.
After lunch is precious for you. Money.
No.
Precious.
That the informant has come, but could not enter into.
And if informant is there, we'll do it. Come in between because 2 o'clock will be crowded. In between, in between, listen. In between, if he comes,
Yes, ma'am.
just mention it.
Yes, ma'am.
Just mention it.
Yes, Hon'Ble.
Okay.
15.
Whenever he comes.
Yes,
you mention
Hon'Ble.
it. Yes. 15. Yes.
Sir, item 15 needs some time a little.
Time.
Yes. Let's say keep it next week because case relating to the NDPS Act. Yes. Save and accept the confession of co-accused have nothing to with. Save and accept the confession of co-accused have no allegation against me.
Till you didn't get bail.
No, I'm not on bail. Yes.
That's what.
Oh, man. It's not those who have faced the trial. They have been acquitted by the learned special court.
The main accused.
Yes, main accused, those who have, basing on their statement, I have implicated, my lord.
You want to argue, it's all right. Next, adjourn it.
Let's keep it next week, any developer.
Just see whatever the date is possible.
Yes, as you also.
See, I have, in between, I passed a order,
Yes,
acquitting this kind of people.
yes,
But in that case, what had happened is the acquittal of the other co-accused, main accused
Yes,
person. In that case, the chemical examination report was not placed on record.
yes,
And the witness is not supported. You
Yes.
have to examine in that light.
yes, well,
If that is possible, then under that aid of that judgment, we can
have it, yes,
just check it up.
as you.
Yeah.
Obliged.
16.
Yes.
My lord, I have read for forcing of Annexo 1 on the ground.
What happened?
My lord,
FIR.
if entire proceeding, I have read for proceeding because earlier I have lost an FIR at about 5 p.m. And soon thereafter, at about 9:45 p.m.,
On
this
30th August 23.
yes, on the very day,
Ah.
I lost the FIR Annexo 2, your lordship may kindly
Right.
see.
194, I can see that.
Yes.
FIR number 194, you have lost.
Yes, I have
is-
lost 194.
25. Okay.
Yes, he lost one, that is 195.
Yes.
And this is, my lord, it doesn't make out a case, my lord, if your lordship will,
Your FIR is prior in time then.
yes, my FIR is the first.
Because that is
After-
194, it is no, next is 195. Yes.
And
correct.
I filed the FIR at about 9:05, and thereafter at 9:45, she lost the FIR. Stating therein that in the morning at about 8 a.m., when she was going through with her son, the petitioners have made some comment, but she didn't reacted to their such action. Thereafter at 4 p.m., they came and told that since her son has made some comment, therefore he will be assaulted. And thereafter, his son has been
But
assaulted.
your FIR appears to be for trespass and all. Huh?
Yes, yes,
You also LH 354 506.
yes. 448.
What is happening in the investigation?
Only charge sheet is
That's
submitted.
it. Yes,
Fine.
charge sheet has already been submitted.
In both the cases.
So far as I am accused person, Annexo 1, that has been
What
submitted.
about your FIR?
My FIR, I have to take instruction.
No, it's not. First time register. Today, first time register.
No, but see, there are cross FIR. Her FIR came first.
And apart,
Thereafter, the other FIR.
and
Let's see.
apart,
Her clients are accused.
but my lord, apart from it, my lord, in this case, petition number 2 is an OS officer. Petition number 1 and 3 are government servants, and 8 and 9 are the students. All have been entangled just to read
And see the allegations.
Notice, my lord, informant made it. He had a party property, but 2. What will go there?
The allegations are just see,
My lord.
nothing. Pure small misunderstanding kind of thing. Huh?
Huh.
Compromise କରିଦେବା କଥା କଣ time କଣ
Again.
allegation ଗୁଡାକ if you notice to Mrs. Jenna submits that on 30th August 2023 at about 9:05 hours and PM PM the present petitioners have registered
Petition number 5.
petitioner number 5 has registered an FIR against the opposite party number 2, opposite party number 2, alleging the offences under section 448, 323, 354, 506 and 34. And immediately thereafter, on the same day at about what time?
9:45.
9:45 p.m.
Yes.
The opposite party
Number
a counter blast to the FIR lodged by the
Petition number 5.
petition number 5 has registered another FIR roping in all the petitioners for alleged offense under section 341, 323, 294, 354, 506 and 34. So next further. Both the FIRs are germinating from the same incident. Mrs. Jana submits that insofar as the FIR in which her clients are accused, charge sheet has been filed, and she has no information regarding the FIR. Opposite party number 5 has registered against petitioner has registered against opposite party number 2. Opposite party. Issue notice to the opposite party number 2. Opposite party number 2. Opposite party number 2 written within 2 weeks. No course of action.
No.
My lord, I am on
Custody,
bail.
further-
I am on bail.
What I say, unnecessary.
Further
not to-
proceeding.
No aggravation. Aggravation kardele ଆଉ ହବନି.
Nine. No further proceeding. may-
No, so in the interregnum, further proceeding arising out of the
Here case number.
GR case number
GR case number 978 of 2023.
979, whatever number,
978 195 arising out of 195 of 2023.
NPS case.
I have stated in my synopsis on the first.
In the application have you said? Application phase 3 application. Is stage till further proceeding.
Oblige.
Till next day.
Till next day.
Oh,
That day only we will finish it up.
My lord.
They come persuaded and
Urgent
to
4th March.
4th March.
oblige.
Item 18.
Item 18 one pass over.
Ashok. Item 19.
Matter, my lord.
When you got the bail?
My lord. Undated 1/12/2021.
1/12/2021.
NPW?
23/8/2023.
My-
500.
Oblige.
Yes.
Item 20.
Matter the Belgium matter, matter.
Yes. When you got the bail?
Matter the petitioner matter on bail 3/6/2022, my lord.
3/6/2022.
22. And the NPW issue
18/9/2023.
23.
Yes.
Item 21.
Item 21, Belgium matter, my lord.
Yes.
Released on dated 31st March 2021.
No, this is NPW.
Release.
When you got the bail?
Bail, my lord, 31st March 2021, my lord.
31st March
2021.
When
NBW issued 21/4/2022.
Okay. Got the bail? 500. No, 20 or 22.
Yes, my lord.
You have to pay a little more. How many of you are?
My lord. Pardon?
Item fixed.
One petition.
One, no? 0/500.
Hello.
Yes.
22. 22.
Hmm? Yes. 500.
25.
25, my lord, bail on 27th March 2015 and NBW on 11/12/2019.
I am sorry, my lord. Friend ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେ cost ଟା ଦେବେ
Who's that?
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ବାର କୋଟି
ନାଇଁ ତାକୁ କଣ
Already.
ଦୁଃଖିଆ ଚାରିଟା
My lord, item 25, my lord.
Yes.
Bail on 27th March 2015 and NBW on 11/12/2019.
2019, huh?
My-
Same. 500.
26.
Obliged.
I bring my lord. Item 40.
Yes. 14, na?
Victim and the
Yes, 14.
23
23
6/2023
23/6/2023 bail.
NBW issued. Bail was on 13/7/2017.
Bail 37. NBW. Take 500. Just come. NBW 18/12/2023. ठीक है 500. 28. ये वेट करो चीज जानी कर दिखाएं। अरे अब जब नहीं आता
ମୋର ଖ୍ୟାଲ ପଡୁନି ସେଟା ହଉଛି 38 Belgium ଟା
I'm just searching where is the bail order is there. They don't write anything there to
yes I am
when he got the bail.
no only he has annexed only NBW order.
I know there
No other orders are there and he has not even
very nice.
only has written that it is pertinent to mention here that the petitioner were granted bail.
The petitioners were on bail, well in bail, but due to the absence in the court proceeding, the land court below has issued the NBW on 19/12/2022.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
19/12/2022. Therefore, he seeks indulgence of this court. Say, back to 29/30 enough 500.
Yes.
29.
Petitioner was on bail, my lord, on 21/12/2019.
21/12/2019. Bail.
Jump on 18/5/2020.
500.
My lord.
30.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. J.K. Khuntia. The bail was granted on 25/1/2018 and NBW
25/1/2018.
NBW was issued on 30.
21. So how much you will pay? Now you are a youngster, 500. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes. 31.
Kindly taken up next week, my lord.
Why?
I have taken some instruction in matrimonial dispute is there.
Okay. 32.
Bail on 21/12/2021. 21/21. And warrant on 2/3/23.
500. Yes. 33.
Bail on Millard 19/6/2020. NBW Millard 6/3/2023.
20.
23. Bail Millard 9/6.
NBW 23.
23.
Solo thing, yeah, 500. Yes. 34.
Malad, he was on bail on 18/5/2022 and NBW issued on 25/8/2022.
1,000.
Right.
1,000. 22. NBW is on 25/8/2022. Okay. Here we write down the date. 35.
35 Millard bail on 19/9/2019 and NBW 24/3/2023.
Bail.
Bail 19/9/2019. 19/9/2019. NBW 24/3/2023.
24. NBW will get from the file itself. Only the bail things you may not get. 23 na 500. Yes. 36.
36 Millard bail on 14/2/2013. NBW Millard 6/11/2015.
About how much?
In 138 NI Act.
138 NI Act.
NI Act.
जो भी है you are accused 1,000. 37.
May I please, Your Lordship? The questioning of a criminal proceeding on the ground of compromise, Your Lordship. Cognizance order page 20. Cognizance taken under section
What are the offences?
323, 294, 506, 34 IPC, Your Lordship. And only 506 number of both parties are
But I'm appearing on behalf of the informant and the matter of I'm amicable.
Who is the, who is Mr. Vinod Bera?
Vinod Bera.
कितने लोग सदी?
Joining, one person.
Joining. Per year you are talking about.
Yes, yes.
Per year.
200 the other.
But this young lady is everything.
Lordship was.
How much?
I was your lordship saying.
You tell me.
1,000 rupees cost.
1,000. 1,000. Yes. 40.
My please, Your Lordship. Actually, in this case, the petitioner challenging the order dated 29/11/2023, the first time the NBW issued, my lord.
NBW.
Yes, my lord.
You are on bail.
No, my lord.
You are not on bail. When will you appear? On 29th you will appear, 29th February?
Yes, my lord. I'm appeared 17/8/2023. That
Are you
only
on
one
bail,
day.
bail in this case or not?
No, I am not there.
Yes. Absconded.
No, I am the Vansis case, my lord. This is the Vansis case, my lord.
You are accused, no?
Yes, my lord. My lord, before
Okay.
submitting this fact, my lord, I am showing one thing. my
Fact
lord.
are not required. This present petition is arising out of a proceeding in ICC case number 34 of 2023, where the petitioner is an accused. Due to non-appearance, the Learned Court below has issued the NBW against the petitioner on 29/11/2023. The petitioner is undertaking, petitioner on instruction is undertaking that his client would be appearing before the court on or before 29th of February 2023 and seek remedy available to him under law. On the basis of the aforementioned facts and submission at the bar, the order dated 29/11/2023 passed by which court? Passed by
JMFC Rural.
passed by the court of
C Rural.
JMFC
Rural Cuttack.
bracket R Cuttack
Yes, ma'am.
in ICC case number 34 of 2023 is caused subject to the petitioner paying cost of rupees 23 500 to the bar association zone. Yes.
Obliged.
41.
Yes.
बेल 14/5/2013 बेल
14/5/2013 and
वाला देला 29/2/2016 NBW
take you this 1,000 ठीक है. And you have to appear on or before 29th of February and seek remedy available under law. Move application, whatever. Yes. 42.
Recall of NBW, my lord. Warrant dated.
You forgot. Tell me the bail order.
Bail order 9/7/2023. Page 6, man.
9/7/2020. NBW
2/1/2024.
500.
My lord.
Yes.
Obliged.
Next. 43.
NBW 29/12/2023.
Bail.
Bail not.
Not on bail.
Bail 37 337 allow is case.
Bail he was on bail. Bail is not there. He was on bail. NBW issued for non-appearance on such and such day. What is that day? NBW.
So 29/12/2023.
NBW is on 15/9/2020. Case 4. Prayer.
My lord. My lord.
When?
On the 15/9/2022.
That's what I'm saying. You are saying some other date.
No, other file. Sorry, obliged.
15/9/2022. You just cross it from the file. Don't go by what they say. They see some big evidence there means. Okay, 500 and 1,000 rupees because you told the wrong date. That's
No.
500.
Obliged.
44.
May I please, Your Lordship?
My lord, bail ହେଇଥିଲା 1/5/23 ରେ। My lord, warrant on 15th September 2023.
1,500.
Oblige. My lord, I am permitted to correct the cost title. Cost title 15/9 ଜାଗାରେ 17/9 ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
ठीक है आप प्रेयर ठीक ଅଛି ତ?
Prayer ठीक ଅଛି।
45
My lord.
मंत्री जी on his side. Remember.
Affidavit.
I tell others. He can't undertake to without himself. Yes.
ये कौन ये एफिडेविट रे किछि नंबर किछि केस नंबर किछि
এই কেস ইন পর্সন
ये केस रे माने आथर किछि नंबर नै एफिडेविट कोन किछि
কেসেস এবার 350 ওকে
आगे अदर काई पीएस केस नंबर काई जीआर केस नंबर काई
Yes.
At page 16,
What happened?
at the instance of the opposite party, a proceeding on section 133 CRPC has been initiated. This application that on the basis of the application under Annex 1, this application was filed on 3/2/24, ma'am. Annex 1.
Yes.
The petitioner
Who has filed it?
by the second party member. I was the opposite party in 133 proceeding, my lord.
Yes.
That proceeding was initiated at the instance of the opposite party, in the present opposite party. He having also
133 proceeding.
What?
133 proceeding is initiated by opposite party number 3,
Opposite
party
party.
number 2 against you.
No, there is only one opposite party, one petitioner. Petitioner before lordship was the opposite party in the 133 proceeding. I was the second party.
Let us see the names.
Yes, ma'am.
You are
I am Monto Narayan Ramanuja Das.
and EOT Srihari Construction.
Srihari Construction. He is a builder, man.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Thereafter.
On the day the application was filed, that is on 3/2/24, without calling for a police report as provided on section 133, and without taking any evidence, he has initiated the proceeding and has restrained me at place 6. Section 133 and 140 CRPC, I see so and so. Do here a order to the second
But
party.
against this order, the statute provides that you should go to district court.
It's an interlude. It's an interlude. I have challenged the very initiation and continuance.
Mr. Maharaj.
Yes.
Just tell me an order passed, just see in this petition.
Yes.
The
I don't have
16.
No, state is not a party, so therefore I have not served a copy.
No, in 16, the order passed under 133, 142 CRPC.
Yes.
Proceeding. Under the code, they have to go to district court.
Yes.
Session code under a revision.
A revision. That is there.
Revision lies against the final order.
That's right, but this is also in the nature of final order only.
No manner. Lordship, kindly see page 16 towards last one. In view of the above facts and exercise the powers conferred on me on.
It is only to file the show cause notice.
No, there I have been restrained, madam. And there, having passed this interim order, he has asked the IIC to submit a report. He has actually put the cart before the horse. 133 also may kindly see. 133.
Yes. Yes.
Whenever a district magistrate or subdivision magistrate or any other executive magistrate, specially empowered in this behalf by the state government, on receiving the report of a police officer or other information and taking such evidence as may be things fit considers, then he will initiate the proceeding. And in exercise of the power on section 142, my lord, he has passed the interim order. 142 speaks of when there is imminent danger to human life. 142.
Yes.
142.
142.
He is not recorded reason, but he might have been satisfied. Previous paragraph, imminent danger.
Yes. The application filed by him, I have also enclosed Annexure 1, madam.
File, so cause what is the prejudice?
No, interim order, my lord. Why should I be registered, my lord, without taking, without any police report, he can't initiate the proceeding. If he has called for the report, let him call for the report, no difficult, but only after calling for the report and taking such evidence as may be necessary.
No, that is 133. 142, he can pass interim order.
Yes, unless.
142, how the wordings are 142?
Yes. 142. If a magistrate.
Consider that immediate measures.
Yes,
should be taken.
Making an order on section 133, consider that immediate measures should be taken to prevent imminent danger or injury of a serious kind to the public. He may issue such an injunction to the
So therefore he has done it.
No, but his prayer.
What are the allegations?
Allegation is that
You are fighting with a builder.
I am not fighting. Builder wants to.
Anyway, vice versa.
Yes.
What is the allegation? What is the allegation against you?
That allegation is that I am making a construction. Okay. How does it affect the how does it, supposing the magistrate finds, yes, the encroachment should be removed. That order.
Peace and tranquility to be maintained in the area.
No, in fact, he had initiated a 144 proceeding. That is Annexure 2.
What happened there?
That proceeding was dropped under Annexure 2 on 24. On 24.
Against you?
Yes, my lord. Page 14. That order was passed on 24/11/23.
Right down. The petitioner is challenging you are not challenging the order, you are challenging the entire
entire proceeding, man. There is no existence of unless there.
Petitioner is in this petition, petitioner is challenging the entire proceeding initiated against him, being criminal miscase number 19 of 2024 by the subdivisional magistrate Puri. Before this subdivisional magistrate Puri at the instance of the opposite party. That is instance of opposite party. He submits that under section 133 of CRPC. He submits that by under the aid of section 142 CRPC, an interim order is made by the
SDM,
SDM without recording the reasons regarding any imminent and sudden and immediate and apparent danger to either life or the property. He also submits that in a proceeding under 144 CRPC was also initiated by the opposite party against him, which has been against him. The executive magistrate, by the order dated 24/11/2023, has dropped that proceeding. Drop that proceeding by Annexure 2. Annexure 2. On the face of the fact that the 144 proceeding initiated by the opposite party is dropped, and without there being any reason or cause of imminent danger to the, what is the language, imminent danger to the danger or injury
of a serious kind
to any injury of a serious kind
to the public.
The order, the invocation of the power under 142 CRPC is bad in law. Issue notice to the opposite party, number so and so, in the internal number, the proceeding before the board so and so is okay.
I prefer stay.
Still, yes.
47.
Stay of the order also, because
operation of the order dated so and so is made. And question next day.
47.
Pardon, my lord, I pray for next week, my lord.
Yes. 48. 48 item for 1 week after. Yes, ma'am. Only often days.
I beg pardon, my lord. Item 45 on 20th, lordship. But examination is there on 16th.
Which item is that? 45.
45.
Mr. Maharaj, that is 45 is 20th.
16th
exam.
20th. Oblate.
But why don't you apply for bail and get it? Why are you?
ସିଏ ବି ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ, ସେମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଭିତରେ।
Why are you not applying for bail?
ସେଠି ଆମେ ଦେଲେ ହବ ବେଲ୍ କୋର୍ଟରେ।
Bail do you?
ବେଲ୍ ନହେଲେ
ସେଇ ଯାଉ ହଜୁର ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ବାହାର ତ ଅଲଗା
ଓବଲାଇଜ
bail ତ କରନ୍ତୁ।
ବେଲ୍ରେ
ବେଲ୍ ନ ହେଇପାରିଲେ କାହିଁ କରିବେନି?
Watching the different thing.
ହଁ ହଁ ୟେସ୍
No, you should apply for bail, examine it there.
ବେଲ୍ ଟା ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ହେଇଯିବ ଏଇ
What
କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ
about
ସେ
it?
ବେଲ୍ କରି
Within the
ଦେଇପାରିବେ।
time you can get the bail. And you can tell that notice has been issued in this also.
Yes,
There is another ground for
Yes,
it.
yes,
Do it immediately.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So that you can come out at least.
Okay.
Examination we can appear. Yeah, 45, 1 minute. Please 45. Let me record something which
Yes.
will
Yes.
help you in getting right up. 45. Huh? Because the petitioner is seeking quashing up the FIR. 45.
Huh?
45. FIR. Laws against petitioners,
My lord, my
laws against them by the opposite party number 2. Opposite party number 2. For the opposite party number 2 is present in the court and for present in the court through his counsel and submits that he has settled the dispute with the petitioner. He further submits that the amount in subject which was illegally transferred from his account has been recovered to his satisfaction. Therefore, he has no objection if the FIR is FIR against the petitioners is quashed. Next one, issue notice. Mr. Maharaj appeals for the state and submits that the accused persons are still in custody. Therefore, issue notice to the petitioner. Issue notice to the state to
obtain instruction.
The FIR was registered on 11/1/2024. Issue notice to the state to seek instruction regarding the status of the case.
Yes.
Written on 20th.
Yes.
You use this.
Yes,
for
obliged. Yes, madam. Yes.
So that there.
I can avail this opportunity.
And write down. Write down one sentence. Was write down. Just write out that land counsel for the petitioner further submits that the petitioners are the engineering students.
No.
Huh?
Well, science students, sir. +3 computer, then preparing computer.
Young students
Well,
for +3 science.
Yes, ma'am.
+3 science, and they are going to face the
Competitive
examination, which is scheduled in weekend.
Yes.
So therefore, he seeks urgent intervention. In view of that, in view of the aforesaid, the matter is adjourned to 20th of
Lordship, order maybe certified copy, court submit. That obliged.
Virtually, I have written a bail order for you.
Yes, miss.
ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ନେଇ ସେଠି
Yes, obliged.
Young boy.
Court submit.
I may not quash it, but still.
No.
Come on.
49.
49.
Small player, next week.
Next week.
Hon'Ble.
50. Yes.
I am approving OP number 1.
Yes. What happened?
Question of cognizance, matrimonial dispute already.
post ko same matter given ठीक है it all habo
हाँ.
and there my lord the girl was the petitioner was being a classmate was chasing the girl with the off that I want to marry you, I keep a love relationship with me, and with that assurance the my lord he was chasing on a particular day when he found the petitioner found the girl nearby Hirakud police that railway station. The petitioner took her with him and kept him for about 10 days within the house, and the relationship was there, and it is alleged that it was not with the intention of the girl, but after staying for 10 days she somehow went to her house, and after 3-4 days she disclosed it to the mother went to the house of the petitioner. That is the FIR allegation, not my allegation, not from my own source matter. And in the FIR it also said that the mother of the victim, that means opposite party number 2, went to the house of the petitioner, gave a proposal of marriage. When the father and mother and other persons denied for it, affair was lodged. So rightly wrongly, my lord,
That is the general story.
my lord. So rightly wrongly, case under section this
All POCSO
three-
376.
that is registered in the initial stage. And accordingly, my lord, the present person was taken to custody. When he was in custody, the girl, good sense prevailed with her. She and the other family members, they came, they filed affidavit before this honorable court that this is the affair, this is the affidavit where she has said before the honorable court, but through affidavit, that the whatever allegation I have made is false one. It is not intended, and the petitioner has not committed any crime. Whatever it may be, to consider this honorable court has also observed that the law of affairs is forthcoming from the affair and the other allegation. No injury or anything has been found in the medical report and the affidavit.
Have you done 164?
No, that is there.
164
that is there. See, in the affidavit.
main jaga pe kon jaina dekha se background
Anyway.
Why I am saying so? And in the affidavit, she has also said when it was filed in the People's Honorable Court at the time of consideration of bail, that the 164 statement and the 161 statement which I have given is a false one given at the instance of the police. Thereafter, my lord, sir, the person was released on bail. Charge sheet was submitted against me. Cognizance taken. Trial progress. During the trial, she has deposed against me. The girl has deposed against me, and the mother of the girl has also deposed against me, my lord. Thereafter, again good sense prevailed. Now she has come forward to marry me. And marriage was solemnized, my lord, not through any other means, registered marriage. She has deposed me in the year 2018. The marriage was solemnized in the year 2019. Marriage was solemnized. Now, I have filed application before the concerned court below for recall of those
witnesses
on the two ground, because that will decide the case. As my lord knows.
It is rejected.
Which is rejected.
You are here.
My lord.
Yes.
There is one aspect. No, my lord, again,
That's the only except
no, my lord, I'm sorry. Again,
that I am married or not.
No,
So that
again, some because the fact that these things has not been materialized. Now she has left me and now residing in her mother's house.
She is not reliable.
No, she is
Why are
alive.
you calling her again? She will say the same thing, or again you will be.
No, my humble submission. This is because of the fact that she is a lady, I did not make any allegation against her conduct. And this has also been deprecated. But my humble submission, my humble submission, the entire thing can be concluded, can be put to an end if my lord will just make a small indulgence, directing the party to appear before the mediation. I think that will be the only process, and that's why the Honorable Court has made the mediation. But I think it can be settled out.
Are not meant for criminal to scuttle the criminal.
No, not. It's a case. Because why I am saying so? First, affair, love relationship. Second, affair has been lost when marriage was denied.
jaha sabu ame alochona korche seta
Why
kon
have
se
not
vastu ki
made that? Because see, the trial court must be watching the demeanor of the witnesses and all. Why are you not making that prayer to the trial court? Trial court can.
Court, my lord, with all respect, when my lord is not inclined, my lord, how to expect?
I am not saying that I am not inclined.
My humble submission, then it's a case. It's a case where things has been come up and the development is to come to such a stage and taking advantage of this, my lord, giving priority or some sort of importance to this particular group of the human being, my lord. These things has come up to this stage, my lord. There is no end to it, my lord.
Whether there is the trust deficit is there between you and your so-called wife with the victim.
Yes, obviously, my lord.
There is a trust deficit. Perhaps because of this case, you keep on promising something.
No. My lord, see. Yes, in fact,
same thing happened.
My humble submission, if something has happened, my lord, it's all right.
So
it ended when the affair was lost. It's all right. After the affair, when I was in custody.
What could be done is, as you said that it could be settled, whatever. I'll simply issue notice. Let us see. Let her come. We'll see. Let her come.
Yeah.
Because there is a lot of trust deficit.
Yes,
In any case, today they are married. They are married.
whatever the submission made by my senior.
He doesn't have a case. I'm saying.
Yes.
He doesn't have a case.
And he lordship may issue notice.
We can issue notice to just see if he himself says that he doesn't have a case.
Yes.
He says that only mediation is possible.
No, because my humble submission, but because again
today he is challenging that the application is rejected. If I'll allow this petition also, if she comes and makes the same statement, he will be again in trouble.
And
conviction is 100%.
100%.
And child has also been
And
blessed. child is also blessed.
So as a result, who is benefited?
It's a
Nobody
POCSO
is
case. So your lordship may issue notice at least.
So better
Let us
issue
see.
notice. Let us see. Let her come.
Yes.
Issue notice to the opposite party report.
ଆପଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତ ପାର୍ଟି
କରିଛି କରିଛି ସେଇଟା ଆଉ ମୁଁ ବତେଇବି
And it appears they are from respectful families. They are
yes
young people. Issue notice returnable with the 22nd, 23rd.
22nd
23rd.
15 days ଗୋଟେ ଦରକାର ହଉଛି ନା
ତାହେଲେ 29.
ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ yes
29.
yes madam
29. You try and serve, let her come, we will.
Okay. If madam, I think that will be the only process where the family will solve, the boy will be saved, the child will be saved, madam.
ये जाने कौन
But they are from, appears to be good family, looking into their name. The parent may be persuaded and something. Yes.
Already I1 IA is there, madam.
IA.
My let me see if I'll file a application for adjournment that will be considered favorably.
That's better.
adjournment.
Not to aggravate.
Yes.
Or let counsel.
In view of the
petitioner. Then I have to write full. Write down. The petitioner has challenged the order dated 8/2016. Passed by
18/5.
By now
18/5/2023. 18/5. 311 which were rejected 18/5.
But you just see your prayer.
Sorry,
No. Madam, record my submission. It is still in the.
But why this prayer? What is this prayer? Just see.
18/5.
Take out your prayer, sir.
Your lordship may can it be? My lord, your lordship may kindly taken up any day within 3 days.
What are you praying? What are you?
I will personally serve the notice.
No. Let me see. Yes, if my
Yes.
I have no objection.
No time petition. Your lordship may just pass the order within 3 days. Your lordship I will serve the notice.
Issue notice to the opposite party number 2, Mr. Maharaj appears for the state, and waits notice for opposite party number 1. The notice be served through the IIC's notice to the opposite
Hirakud
party
PS.
number 2 be served through IIC.
Hirakud PS.
Hirakud Police. Returnable within when? 16.
16.
Okay.
Then no need of the.
No. We will try to find out the way and finish it up. Yes. Next. 53. But you check it up your prayer. What are you?
No, that is pending.
Huh? But prayer, just see you know, 2016.
No, my humble submission because of the fact that I have to challenge a particular order, my lord, and cognizance order was much before that. That's why I challenge the order.
But you said that you are agreed by order by.
No, framing of charge. Order of framing of charge I have made because of the fact that no material is there, all things, my lord. In the meantime, the development is that if the marriage was in the year 2019.
The problem is you are filing for something, asking for something.
No, that is
not reflecting the.
No, whatever the 2019 marriage was there.
You challenge that order.
2023 also, but that is there.
But challenge that order also. Add that challenge. Yes. 53.
53 मिला run pass over मिला.
54.
Pass over.
Before your lordship, it's a Belgium matter. The petitioner has been released on bail dated 9/11/2015. And MBW issued on 8/9/2023.
500.
Obligation.
55.
55 item 55 due to some personal difficulty counsel for CBI is unable to appear, let's say. Kindly take it up on Monday, let's say.
My lords, may I pray one thing? The previous occasion also they sought for time, my lords, on the same ground, and they have filed one counter affidavit today, my lords. They filed more, my lords. The case in hand is, my lords, we're challenging the order passed under section 311 rejection order. And I want to pray the IO.
311 moved by you.
My lords.
To recall which witness?
A PW21, who is the IO in the said case, my lords.
What is the stage of the trial?
At the fag end, my lords, the PW21 is the last witness to be produced by the prosecution, my lords.
Accused statement has
No, my lords, no. Before that, my
What
lords.
is the problem? You give one opportunity.
Let's say due to some personal difficulty, Mr. Naik is unable to appear. That's it. Kindly take it up on Monday, let's say. Mr. Naik.
I'll put it on 12th.
Much obliged, let's say.
12th.
My lords.
Are you sure that accused statement is not required?
No, my lords.
Because
Because
the last witness, he give one opportunity. You tell Mr. Naik, I'm going to give one opportunity. He will examine the IO
Yes, let's
my lords.
on one single day.
My lords, my lords. without any adjustment.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged.
13. Yeah. 56.
May I please, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Senior Counsel, Mr. Jugulakusta Ponda, then 1 week after.
What is this case?
Your Lordship may kindly taken up this matter, allow the prayer, but Your Lordship may mention along with CRLMC 1715.
Release the matter along with CRLMC
1715. 15 by 2023. All 23, 1573, 1574, 1610, 1608, and 1918.
How many petitions you filed?
All 23.
Can you disclose all these things?
କିଛି disclose କରୁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଟା ସେ ଆସୁ ସେଥିରେ ଆସିଲେ ଜାଣିବୁ matter relating to Noapili Malad the docket case. Noapili docket case.
What he challenging passing of the case?
Obliged, my lord.
57. Yes.
Lord, in item number 57, I am preparing
Yes.
on behalf of the petitioner. Lord, this is an application under section 482 of the CRPC challenging the order of cognizance.
Where is the charge? Show me the charge sheet. What are the allegations?
Lord, before I proceed, can I just give a short list of dates? It's a very short list of dates.
Yes, tell me.
Lord, here, on 12/9/2019, the petitioner and his parents met the deceased and her parents in connection with a marriage proposal. 2020, the deceased got engaged to someone else, and later the marriage was called off. In April 2021, the deceased father came to the petitioner's house and met his parents and rekindled the marriage proposal. On 30/5/2021, the petitioner and the deceased met when the families agreed to the marriage and an informal engagement ceremony took place. Thereafter, on 13/9/2021 at around 8:45 p.m., the deceased mother made a video call to the petitioner's mother and showed the deceased lying on a bed and the dupatta tied to a ceiling fan.
Sorry, this date is 30th May 2021. What had happened? The petitioner and deceased met once again when the family agreed to marriage and informal engagement took place. Okay.
Informal engagement took place on 13/9
May. July.
That is in May. On 13/9/2021, the deceased committed suicide. Now, the first FIR, if your lordship will look at the first FIR, it is at page 34. This was lodged within 1 hour of the incident.
It is the offense is 306.
306 only, that's all.
Is there any, Mr. Rauda, is there any suicidal note?
No, my lord, no suicidal note. But there was a conversation between the deceased and the petitioner, my lord, till date of the occurrence, my lord, night of the occurrence, my lord.
No, see
and what happened in this case, my lord? Initial 2019, the marriage of the petitioner deceased settlement, engagement, my lord. They have proposal given, my lord, for the marriage, my lord.
Engagement took place on 30th May 2020.
And subsequently, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, since the petitioner prosecuting study, he asked for 2 years to remain wait, my lord. And thereafter, and again, the father of the deceased and parents given marriage proposal of the deceased somewhere else at another state, my lord.
The boy.
Boy. No, girl, my lord, deceased. And there, my lord, the engagement also, my lord, the dissolved. Not
no. The girl got engaged with this boy.
My lord.
The accused.
2019.
2019. Thereafter, what happened?
The boy.
No, my lord, I'm sorry. The factual aspect is.
1 minute, Mr. Mishra, let me understand what he said. Yes.
That is 2019, my lord.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, then marriage proposal there, my lord. The boy, my lord, the petitioner, stated to the parents of the deceased, they have to wait 2 years, my lord. Since he is pursuing his study.
Right.
And in spite of that, the parents of the deceased, again, my lord, contacted another person at Nagpur, my lord, for marriage of the deceased, my lord.
Right.
There the engagement also dissolved, my lord. Then only
There also the engagement taken place.
my lord, they have contacted an engagement there, my lord.
Right.
Subsequently, my lord, thereafter again 2020, my lord, the petitioner contact parents of petitioner and petitioner contact to the deceased and parents of deceased for marriage proposal, given marriage proposal and engagement is there, my lord. During that period, the petitioner did not agree for the marriage proposal. There are conversations between the telephonic conversation between the deceased and parents of others, my lord. Subsequently, when the petitioner did not agree to marry her, thereafter she committed suicide.
There is no suicide note.
Suicide note there, my lord. But
Then how will you say the parents of the girl,
my lord,
is asking this girl to marry with this petitioner? If he didn't agree, then they've engaged the girl with someone else in Nagpur. And once again, that marriage is dropped. Again, with this boy, again, the Rukka ceremony, whatever has taken place.
My lord.
And she commits because of this girl is traumatized because of this all these things. How
the 161 statement, my lord. Admittedly, my lord, the death of the suicidal, my lord, due to asphyxia, my lord, death due to asphyxia, suicidal nature, my lord, antepartum.
In her house only, this boy.
In her house, but that after, my lord, I want to read out the 161 statement of the, my lord, the mother of the deceased, my lord. Relevant person, my lord.
Where is that?
I am appearing for the informant, my lord. In this case, my lord, the FIR and statement of witnesses and charge sheet, it reveals that the petitioner abetted the deceased to commit suicide, my lord.
How
I am placing the relevant portion, my lord. Dr. Priyanka Tapuria called at 2:20 AM and talked about 1 hour with Sital. Sital is the deceased.
2:20. When is that?
FIR, my lord.
On 13.
Second page, my lord, of four para.
Para 4.
Para 4, my lord.
Which annexure you are talking about?
On 3921, my lord.
Annexure 2.
Okay. Yes, my lord.
Para
4. FIR. At about that on 13/9/21 at about 12:20 AM, my younger daughter Shivani talked to Dr. Priyanka Tapuria for about 2 hours. As per the instance, the Sital from Sital's mobile phone, after the said prolonged discussion, Dr. Priyanka Tapuria called 2:20 AM and talked about 1 hour with Sital. Again, he said he had called at about 3:20 AM and talked for 30 minutes, declaring his final decision of cancellation of his marriage with Sital. Sital only asked him if he was not interested in her when then why everything
the
proceeded
FIR is
so
the
far.
absence of the mother.
Mother. The discussion over phone between Dr. Priyanka Tapuria and Sital was gradually becoming very hot with aggressive and ended at about 4 AM, frustrating and harassing Sital and all her family
Have you tracked
members.
the
She was very panicked.
That means is, my lord.
And what is the charge sheet now?
Charge sheet, my lord, 306, my lord.
Charge sheet 306 of IPC. UDKS also reveals that on local inquiry, it reveals that the deceased was under the acute mental pressure.
According to place
at the boy.
2 statements, my lord. The mother statement, everything, my lord. The
306 is
my lord, my lord, read out, my lord. More tini jhiyo Swapna such more jhiyo bibahito kintu majhiya jhiyo.
Very unfortunate, but I don't see any.
My lord, I will read out the 161 statement, my lord. It will better, my lord, place the 161. More just.
And you mentioned it. It's last, na? Last item. No, 65 is out. 65. Okay. Yes.
This one is to inform us. Here, my lord, two FIRs. One FIR was lodged by me, and another FIR lodged by the informant.
Mr. Das is
The again,
Mr. Das is
Okay.
appearing.
I don't.
Yes.
Another FIR was lodged by the informant. My lord. My FIR after investigation was filed final report holding that the dispute is civil in nature. And the informant's FIR was, my lord, charge sheet was filed.
Which you want
Quast. On the ground of that, the allegations made and the statement, well, makes out there is a civil dispute. What happened, man? The informant lodged the FIR that she has purchased the land from the father of the petitioner, who is not the title owner. The ROR stood recorded in the name of the uncle of the petitioner. And that is also a Jodasaya. Nature of the man of the.
You sold the property to.
My lord, she has not purchased from the recorded tenant. She has not purchased the land from the recorded tenant.
Who is the recorded tenant?
Tenant is my lord another person, who is the uncle of the petitioner.
ROR stands in the name of uncle of this.
My lord?
ROR stands in the name of uncle of the petitioner.
It is recorded in the name of the uncle of the petitioner.
Right, okay.
But she has purchased from another person. Therefore, no title could be passed.
How you are coming into the picture?
My uncle's land, my lord, there is a big chunk of land. Some land recorded in the name of the father of the petitioner, and some land recorded in the name of the uncle of the petitioner. My case is that she has never took possession of that land, for which, my lord, when she came, there was a dispute for which I have lost the FIR. My FIR is passed.
You wanted to encroach upon your land.
Encroach upon my land, used force. There are some allegations, and 307 the case was registered.
Against you.
No, 307 the case was registered in my FIR, my lord. But 307 and other offences, my lord. But the police, after investigation, have said that it is a civil dispute.
Your clients are very weak. They could not.
Yes, because she is a doctor.
Properly to me.
No, she is a doctor.
Therefore, 307 is not made up.
No, she is a doctor, and I am an advocate of this court.
Being advocate, you could not make out a case of 307 against a doctor. Anyway, that is
once it is held that it is a civil in nature, and admittedly it is a civil in nature, suit are pending.
So why don't you settle it by an unnecessary?
Your lordship, my lord, on plain reading of the FIR,
arising out of the same dispute,
same land, everything. Your lordship will kindly see. And the offence is 354. How it is made out from the FIR, your lordship will kindly see.
Against you.
Against me, my lord.
354.
Yeah.
Yes, which FIR that?
Last page 10, my lord.
10. Okay. What are the
last again?
Trespass, 354,
all the things are made out, clearly made out from the bare reading of it.
No.
And last का देखो तो आगे the 354 allegation. ମୁଁ କଥା ତୁମେ ମାନେ କାହିଁକି ଡ୍ରାଇଭର କୁ କାହିଁକି ମାରୁଛ କହିବା ମାତ୍ରେ ସୁଶାନ୍ତ ଦାସ ଦି ପିଟିସନର ମତେ ନାନା ପ୍ରକାର ଅସଭ୍ୟାସରେ ଗାଳି ଗୁଲଜ କରିବା ସଙ୍ଗେ ମତେ ଧକ୍କା ମାରିଲା 354
yes
outraging the modesty of a lady.
No. Anyway, what do you want to say? Why don't you?
I have also told to my sister that you may amicably settle the matter. Otherwise, my friend is highlighting this is the case of the prosecution. This is the case of the.
It's a civil nature.
No, my lord. Even though accepting for a moment, your lordship putting a right question. In which year you have purchased that land? He could not be able to answer. And that apart, my lord, land stands in the name of the present petition or informant. You have not challenged that order.
You have resorted to civil remedy?
My lord, I have taken that. They have taken. Till today, that case is pending. Even though accepting for a moment, my
The
lord.
remedy is there. Why?
My lord, that is there. It is up to him, up to the client of the president, my sister.
Have you filed any suit? You.
They have filed the suit
Against you.
and against me.
Injunction. Injunction.
No.
No.
Declaring the
Declaring the sale deed because the sale deed
Sale did you want?
which was executed.
He is
Sale
no
deed
more in
which
the picture, my lord.
Not from the.
He is not in the picture, my lord. His uncle, even though accepting for a moment the submission of the counsel for the petitioner. His uncle is the right title holder of that property, my lord. What authority you have initiated? That is altogether different. That is civil court will look into matter.
Your uncle is a defendant in this.
ସେ ମରିଗଲେଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା
uncle ତମେ substitute କେମିତି?
ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
लिखा ले रहा है
because of the fact
clumsy.
Have you made the uncle, LR the uncle
My lord.
defendant in the suit?
my lord here your lordship will kindly see the suit at page 29.
Yes. 29, yes.
My lord. The informant is defendant number 1 and others. My lord, what is the thing is, my lord, partition suit between the legal heir is going
Uncle's
on.
property, he is the person who is
And
the
I have
plaintiff.
kept all
How?
the co-sharer as parties, my lord. Vijay Kumar Das, late Khetra Mohan Das.
You have come to page 29. You have
29.
purchased from the uncle. Uncle's children.
No, I have not purchased, my lord.
No, he has purchased.
Yes, uncle to କିଣିନି ଆଉ କଣ ଗୋଟେ କିଣିଛି
See, ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଯିଏ ଥିଲା ସେ uncle ଠୁ କିଣିଛି.
ନା
Vendor.
ନା
I am purchasing that property from the Khetra
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Das.
How you are bringing his uncle and him
In 2009, my lord.
ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଆଜ୍ଞା କହୁଛି ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଅଙ୍କୁଲଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ରେକର୍ଡ ଅଛି It's a big chunk of land. The kisam of the land is, my lord, Jodasaya.
he is showing that he has purchased it from someone.
Someone.
According to you,
He is not recorded.
Neither the title holder nor the
I have
revenue record shows his name. So how are you coming to my land? That is how the dispute taken place. Maramari hele dita cross case hela. ଆପଣ ଏଫଆଇଆର ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଫାଇଲ କଲେ କ୍ଲୋଜର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା ତାଙ୍କର ଏଫଆଇଆର ଚାଲିଛି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ଦି ଷ୍ଟୋରି what is the big constitutional issue? Will you settle or not? I'll pass it. You tell me. You find out your remedy in this civil suit. What is this?
One thing, my lord, I have also told to my sister, take care because
Sir, I
the
said it to
brother of the present opposite party, he is one of the advocate of this court.
Therefore,
Or that is, ମୁଁ କହିଲି ନରେବା ଗୁଞ୍ଜର ଅଶ୍ୱତମ ହାତ ଭଳିଆ ମୁଁ ରହିଯାଇଛି.
why don't you settle it?
No, I have also
Why
talked.
don't you settle it?
While my
You-
sister approached to me, I have told to him.
Settle. How big is the land?
ବହୁତ ବଡ land.
ଟିକେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
2009 2019 ରେ ଇନିସିଏଟ କଲେ ସିଭିଲ ସୁଟ.
ପଇସା
ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁ ବୋର୍ଡ ରେ ଚାଲିଛି
ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ହେଲା ସେଲ୍ଡିଟ୍ 2009 ରେ.
you take out your remedy in the civil suit.
ଏଇଟାକୁ ପାସ୍ କରିଦେବା
I'll record it.
ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ କହୁଛି that is altogether different story. Let both the parties may sit together. My sister be there, I will be there, my friend will be there.
Eminent color of you people standard.
No, I have also
Can very well.
prior to coming to this court, I have also convinced to my sister. My sister. ଆପଣ ବା ମତେ ଡାକିଲେ ମତେ କହିଲେ କେସ୍ ଟା ଅଛି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ଆଜି କହିଲେ ହଁ ମୁଁ କହିଲେ ଦି ଜଣ ଭିତରେ ସେଟଲ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ
It will start from today only.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କହୁଛି
And I am keeping it on 13th. You speak and tell me.
ମୁଁ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା my prayer is let it be quashed. All the scenario ଆଜ୍ଞା ବୋର୍ଡ ଅଫ ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁ ରେ ଅଛି ସିଭିଲ ସୁଟ୍ ଅଛି between the parties. What ମାନେ
ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
Give it try. 13th I'll do it. I'll pass it. I'm giving an indication of. Because it is purely a civil dispute.
Civil dispute.
It is the parties, they can determine the right to civil dispute.
କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ହଉଛି ଧୋକା ଫକା ଯାକଟା ମାରିଛ ସେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ମନଟା ଦୁଃଖ କରୁଛି।
କିଛି ବି
ଧୋକା ଫକା
ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟା ଆଗେ ଦେଲି ତ ଏଇଟା ତାପରେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଟି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ
Your client is supposed to be a lawyer, become prompt. Become prompt and gave a FIR.
My client also sister of one lawyer, advocate lawyer of this
ମୁଁ
submission.
ଆଗେ ଦେଲି ତାର 5-7 ଦିନ ପରେ କି ମାସେ ପରେ ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
So whatever you decide that.
It will suffice and that thing.
Because the criminal cases against each other, that's two lawyers and all doesn't show. I'll just dispose it up. 13th, you just tell me. In what best way we can
Best way.
put end to it.
Can I pray before Lordship?
Yes.
My sister may can be directed to take instruction from his client. I am taking instruction from my
I
client.
will not say anything. I have expressed my
ठीक है.
and taking into this what transpires in the court between
But both the parties they will maintain
they
peace.
call and I will
My lord.
30. Particularly for the reason that there are laws from either side.
Can I submit out of both, my lord? My sister also contesting for me. I have also faced some sales type of situation in my life. My sister knows better than me. Everybody.
ଯେ ନିଜେ ଆଗେ ସଫର ହେଇକି
କହିଛି।
କହୁଛି ତ ପୁଣି ସେ ହବ।
କରିବି।
ନା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ।
Calling every what to do.
So I will pardon to my question. So one item 64 also. In that matter also the directly that matter is a personal cognizance in view of the settlement matter. The husband and wife between the husband and matrimonial dispute.
Can I pray?
No, there is box is important.
No.
I will come.
That is recommended.
16th or 19th?
You tell her otherwise she will.
हाँ ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି sir.
Bring
तो
it by
entry order ଅଛି.
Pardon me, Lordship. Item number 10. There was a IA pending, Lordship. Stay is not there, Lordship. Regarding the matrimonial dispute. Notice was issued to the opposite parties,
I
Lordship.
hate 10.
Yes,
When the
Lordship.
matter was taken up, you should have told
16th.
I beg apology for that,
ମୁଁ
Lordship.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପାର୍ଟି କରୁଥିଲି ଜୁନିୟର ପିଲା ତ ମୁଁ ପାର୍ଟି କରୁଥିଲି କହିବା କଥା ନା ତମର ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିମୋନିଆଲ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ କହିବନି
matrimonial dispute there should be a stay. Otherwise aggravate हो situation जो settlement is सेटा
ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ବି ହେଇପାରିବନି ଆଉ।
ହେଇପାରିବନି ସେଟା ପାଇଁ ତ stay generally करे. What was the order in 10? What was the order?
Notice was issued to the opposite party.
Appropriate court. The petition is dismissed and withdrawn with liberty as well. Yes. 22.
22, my lord. In this case, I am paying for disposal of the 1cc case, my lord. Your lordship, during the course of hearing, directed me that the date of warrant, my lord, I have.
Who are you?
I am for the petitioner
I
informant.
know who are you means you are accused or what is?
I am informant.
130.
Complainant, 130.
When have you filed 130?
My lord,
When was the file? 17. What is this says?
age, my lord, warrant has been issued. Your lordship directed
not
me to ensure the date of warrant, that is 29/4/22.
It's not executed.
Not been executed, my lord.
Petitioner is the informant.
Complaint.
Petitioner is the complainant. In the 1cc case number 50 of 2017 under section 138 NIF. The grievance of the petitioner is that despite the fact that NBW has been issued against the opposite party accused, the said NBW has not been executed. The accused had issued a check of rupees. Check of rupees.
9 lakhs.
Huh? These things should be on your tips. check-up will be so and so.
50,000.
Huh?
50,000, my lord.
50,000 check.
My lord.
For 50,000 check you are coming. What are you?
Page 9 of the complaint case.
3 lakhs like
3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs.
You have no idea what 50 lakh each.
50.
कितना check? 1 minute.
3 lakhs.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
6.
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs, my lord.
What do you? Yeah, when you come to High Court level, you should be having everything on tips.
My lord.
You should. No, what that? Thank you.
What a check was it? What are the
Accused had issued 6 checks amounting to 3 lakhs. Amounting to 3 lakhs, which has been dishonored, for which the petitioner is prosecuting the opposite party. The petitioner has placed on record the warrant issued by the court below against the petitioner. ये वारंट को थाना करियो
Pariku do, my lord.
ना कृष्ण प्रसाद
Oh, sorry, Puro.
कृष्ण प्रसाद
देखो the warrant has been issued against the petitioner to be executed by IIC Krishna Prasad PS.
Krishna Prasad, yes.
Krishna Prasad और कौन लिखा है जी? PS District Puri. Accordingly, it is the IIC Krishna Prasad ये नहीं जाओ IIC जो Krishna Prasad लिखा है कौन लिखा है?
Krishna Prasad GOH.
Directed to execute the warrant as early as possible. As early as possible.
Prasad Ghosh.
Krishna Prasad.
yes
Yes.
yes 63
My lord, in this case, it's a matter relating to 498A, my lord. Last time, my lord directed issued notice to the opposite party. The informant opposite party is present here, my lord. Just with our counsel, my lord.